Welcome to Exam Heist, your trusted partner in certification success. We provide comprehensive study materials, available both online and offline. We're here to guide you every step of the way. From in-depth PDF guides to structured practice sets, we covered all essential questions to help you in certificating. You'll always have the right resources at your fingertips. Download the PDFs, take practice tests, and connect with our expert support team. Interactive online practice support, so you can test yourself anytime, anywhere. Exam-ready PDFs, carefully curated with essential questions. Top performers consistently rely on Exam Heist. With thousands of learners already certified, we've built a reputation for quality and trust. Expert assistance, where certified professionals are available to answer your queries. And most importantly, content that stays up to date with the latest exam patterns. Start today, and move one step closer to your certification success. So don't wait. Give your preparation the winning edge with Exam Heist. Visit examheist.com now. Exam Heist, your journey to success starts here.
Question 1. Your company has several departments. Each department has a number of virtual machines, VMs. The company has an Azure subscription that contains a resource group named RG1. All VMs are located in RG1. You want to associate each VM with its respective department. What should you do? Option A. Create Azure management groups for each department. Option B. Create a resource group for each department. Option C. Assign tags to the virtual machines. Option D. Modify the settings of the virtual machines. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option C. Assign tags to the virtual machines. Question 2. Note: the question is included in a number of questions that depicts the identical setup. However, every question has a distinctive result. Establish if the solution satisfies the requirements. Your company has an Azure Active Directory, Azure AD, subscription. You want to implement an Azure AD conditional access policy. The policy must be configured to require members of the Global Administrators Group to use multi-factor authentication and an Azure AD join device when they connect to Azure AD from untrusted locations. Solution: you access the multi-factor authentication page to alter the user settings. Does the solution meet the goal? Option A. Yes. Option B. No. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option B number. Visit examheist.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Exam Heist. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.